In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download students' attendance on Google Meet after online class. We'll start inside Google Calendar so you can launch your class the standard way. Open Google Calendar in your browser and locate the event for your class. Click the event to open its details, then choose Join with Google Meet. On the Meet preview screen, make sure your camera and mic are set the way you want, and then select Join Now to enter the meeting. As students begin to arrive, you may see a prompt to review join requests. Click View to open the panel that shows who's trying to join. To let everyone in quickly, use Admit All. Keep an eye on this throughout the first few minutes because you might need to click Admit All again if more students arrive in batches. Next, we'll turn on tracking so you can capture attendance. In your browser toolbar, click the extensions icon. From the list, choose Google Attendance Tracker. This tutorial assumes the extension is already installed and available in your browser. Inside the extension, select Instance Attendance. This option focuses on the current live session and is ideal for a single class meeting. When you're ready to begin capturing attendance, click Start Tracking. It's a good idea to start after most students have joined, so the report reflects who was present once class got underway. While tracking is active, the extension monitors who is in the meeting and records useful details like names and when they joined or left. Teach as you normally would. Keep the Meet tab open and active in your browser while class is in session to avoid interruptions to tracking. When your class wraps up, return to the extension and click Stop Tracking. The extension will generate your attendance report automatically, typically as a CSV file, and download it to your default Downloads folder. Now open the downloaded attendance list to review it. You should see participant names along with timestamps and, in many cases, total time present. Use this information to verify who attended and for how long. If you maintain a gradebook or learning management system, this file can be attached or referenced as your official attendance record. For clarity later, consider renaming the file with your course and date right after it downloads. A few quick tips before we finish. If you work in a managed school environment, make sure extensions are allowed by your organization. The report only reflects the names visible in your meeting, so ask students to join with their official accounts to keep records consistent. And if this is your first time using the extension, run a short test meeting to confirm everything saves correctly. That's it. Your attendance is captured and downloaded, ready to use.